it's Venetia. It's been forever since I posted, but today I wanted to do a mukbang for you guys. I have a big test to study for next week, but I said no, I'm getting out and I'm gonna just do something for myself before I start studying. So it's a beautiful, gorgeous day here in Atlanta. I decided to go to this place. It's called Super H Mart, and it's a Korean plaza, a Korean grocery store. And inside the grocery store, they had a food court with about 6 or 7 Korean restaurants. I just found it on Google. I just Googled Korean hot dogs or Korean corn dogs. I've been craving some Korean food. I got some tteokbokki. I believe that's how you say it. I know I'm probably not saying it right, but I've been craving that. Let's take a look. Before I go and study, it's really hot, so I'll probably have to come back to this one. Look at that. The sauce is a little spicy, but overall it's really good. So I've been in nursing school for the past year, and I'm almost done. I have maybe 3.5 months left. I'll be graduating in September. Look at these. Oh my God, look at those. They look so good. So this one is just a regular beef hot dog inside, and I just sprinkled ketchup and mustard over it. This one is a half beef hot dog, half mozzarella, so they should have the cheese in there. And he asked me if I wanted to roll it in sugar, and I always see people with this, so I said, you know what, I'm gonna try it. So we're gonna try it, and they just look so delicious. I don't know what I want to try first. So let me just take a big bite of this. I'll try this one. It's looking so good, and the place is called Okay Dog, and they were about $3.99 each for the different hot dogs. They had the ones with the potatoes all over it. I might come and get that next time. It's as good as it looks. And it's crunchy, crispy. The cornmeal flavor is really good. It's really fresh. I cannot wait until my tteokbokki cools down, because it's looking really good. I'm happy I got this one. Dipped it in the tteokbokki sauce. I'm in heaven right now. That sauce is so good. I'm definitely glad I came. I just pushed the hot dog up so I can dip it. So all in total, my order was $17. I got the 2 corn dogs. This is a small tteokbokki. This is a small. I hate to see the regular. The small was $5.99. The large was $7.99. And then I got the fruit punch slushy. I'm gonna have to bring my sister here when she comes visit. Why haven't I come here sooner? Now I know there's just an entrance for the food court. I went through the grocery store and had to go all the way around, and it was hard to get to it. But when I left, I realized that I could have just went to this certain door. So now I know for next time. Now that I dipped it in the sauce, I don't want it without the sauce. Okay, dog. I'm definitely coming back. The cornmeal tastes really good on here. It's not too thick. And that crunch is just really, really good. I'm tempted to go back in and get some more to go. But that's okay. I'm not going to do that. I'll save it for another time. I want to eat my hair. I'm mad that I didn't come sooner, but I'm happy I came now. Last bite of this. Glad when I went, there was nobody in line. And then after I put my order in, the line was so long. So I'm so happy that I went when I did. I don't want to tip it, but this is what it looks like. If you haven't had this before, you should definitely try it. This is like a thick noodle, but the sauce is like a peppery tomato sauce. It's delicious. And then it has this little fish cakes throughout. I saw people put mozzarella cheese on it. Next time I'm going to ask them to put mozzarella cheese. Excuse me. It's really good. If you can't handle spice, don't try it though. It'll burn your mouth. But it's not too spicy that you can't enjoy it. Definitely worth it. It's in Doraville, Georgia, inside of the Super H Mart. Hey dog, it's called. This is definitely opening up my sinuses. I'll let that cool down in a second. I'm going to try to post more videos, especially since I'm almost done with school. I can focus on it. So now I'm going to try the half mozzarella, half beef. And now that I'm thinking about it, I should have just got all mozzarella since I already had a beef dog. But he asked me if I wanted to roll it in sugar. And at first I was like, I wonder how that would taste. But I saw in the reviews for this place that they said if they asked you to roll it in sugar, say yes. So I said, okay. It was cinnamon and sugar mixed together, and he just rolled it up. But it looks so good. It's really, really good. Okay. I definitely see why she said if they say to roll it in sugar, say yes, because the cornmeal on the outside, it tastes like you're biting into a fried dough. Then you get the surprise of cheese in there. Definitely worth every bite. There's that. Next time I'll try the other flavors. They said the one with the potato all over it is really good. They had one with the potato on the outside, cheese on the inside. Another one with potato on the outside, and a beef hot dog in the middle. And I heard people in line saying that they were going to get it and they were going to put all the sauces on top. And that just sounded really good. I'm sorry if I'm sniffling. This is a little spicy, so it's got my nose running. So sorry. I'm definitely taking my friend here. Ooh. Definitely coming back for that. And I'm definitely coming back for the Korean fried chicken place that's opening soon. Look at that. This was supposed to be a half mozzarella, half hot dog, but I haven't seen the hot dog yet. But it's okay, this is good. do like the Korean dog, the first one I tried, with the ketchup and mustard on the outside. I love that. It had good flavor. And I love this one because the sugar definitely added a much needed taste to it. And the mozzarella cheese inside is good too. Oh, now I see the hot dog. There it is. I want to dip this part. I'm a little nervous because it has sugar on it, but let's try it. So sad that I didn't know about this place. I'm still learning Georgia. There's so much. Whatever you want to eat, you can just Google it and there's a place for it. Wherever you want to go, there's a place. I'm originally from Connecticut and I just moved here about 2 years ago, a little over 2 years ago. I'm getting full now. It's a beautiful day here in Georgia. Looks like everybody's all enjoying. But now I have to go home and study. I got a much needed break and had some good delicious food. So I'm happy right now. definitely come try it out. I'm going to have one more bite of the tteokbokki, and then I'll save the rest for later. Hope you have a good day, and I'll see you in my next video. I'm Venetia Nicole. Venetia, VINEISHA _NICHOLE on Instagram. If you want to follow me there, feel free. And I hope you have a good day. God bless you.